This distance represents the present moment. It cannot be changed. But does time have to be linear? Can it expand within its boundaries? No. Everyone, concentrate on this present moment as hard as you can. Imagine it expand. Concentrate. Concentrate. We did it. We might have created a gap in a time-space continuum. We could have fallen through it and are in a parallel universe. Look around. It might appear the same to you at a first glance, but keep looking for those tiny differences.